Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting issue on Android. If your Wi-Fi keep on disconnecting on your Android device, then you'll need to follow these steps. Now, if you're experiencing Wi-Fi disconnecting issue on your Android device, you can try following this step. The first thing is you can restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitch that may be causing the Wi-Fi disconnecting problem as well. And apart from it, you can also forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi networks. For that, you need to go to the Wi-Fi settings and you can just go and long press on it. This is the one if you're connected to, and tap the three dot icon, and from here you can just go ahead and tap on the forget button. After you can reconnect it, and that might be able to fix the issue. If this is also not working out, then what else you can do is you can also try turning off your Wi-Fi or a router for 20 seconds, and after that you can try reconnecting it, and that must be able to fix your issue all at once. And that is also not working out, then what you can do is then you can try updating your device software. So make sure that your Android device has the latest software update or installed, or the software update often include bug fix and improvement that can help address Wi-Fi connectivity as well. Or some Android devices have battery optimization features that may be interfering with the Wi-Fi connectivity. So for that, you need to go to the settings and then go to battery. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see battery, and here you can go to battery optimizer, and then you need to select for all apps, and accordingly you can find the app related to Wi-Fi settings, example settings Wi-Fi or whatsoever, and that might be able to fix the issue. And apart from it, you can also reset the network settings. So for that, you need to go to the settings. That is, one more time go to settings, and then you need to go to the reset option. So usually the reset option will be located right over here. So you can just go to the system, and here you'll be able to find the option as reset option, and from here you can just go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and all that, and click on reset settings. After that, you can make changes with your information. So that's basically how you can fix your Wi-Fi disconnecting issue on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.